someone needs a helping hand. So, the hero I am.
Good time then, mate.
Yeah.
Working hard.
Always.
This was the warmest place last night in this little shed.
It was lovely. Until I lay down in the water.
These are loose anyway, we loosen these, didn't we? Loosen these bad boys.
Did indeed.
Yeah, I think Emily said she's got no time.
It's not. Oh, you.
I'm joking. What size Allen did we need then? 6.
6.
And a 21 mil. Wow.
That will come out. I'm not going to take it off yet.
I won't do it yet, no. What size was that?
17.
Oh, I want that one. 17? We've got a couple of big boy 21s in here. These were freshly loosened up last night. Whoa.
Jaden's not in a happy mood today.
You know when you always try and do it by hand because it feels really loose?
You're like, oh shit.
And then you can't do it by hand.
Why?
Because it's French, right? Their rear suspension will join.
Does it actually twist out? You watched the video. I don't think it
So
does.
we're going to put the axle stands.
I can't. Come on, baby. Right.
Now here's human music.
So Ryan's just measuring up, make sure they're all level-ish, kinda. But just put a bit of copperies on, just in case we need to move them later in life. Make sure they're level and get them in.
Just because all the crap will go
Yeah,
onto the bolt rather than.
Number 1 is complete, correct?
Correct.
Ryan finished it off then while I was fiddling with Josh in the back. Just gonna
See the light.
Just going to go to the back now and I forced Josh to try and get my back seats out. I didn't actually know how to do it myself, but we looked it up.
Oh yeah.
And pretty much it's 4 nuts, but these 4 nuts do not like to come out. I'll let there's some more. No, it's just the back brace.
But I needed to take these off.
Because otherwise you can't
The
get to that.
anti-roll bar from the back.
Alright, so it's a new day, just because last night took a little bit longer than expected, got a little bit too stressful as well. So, number 1, as you we have seen from the video, came off absolutely fine, and well, that's the new one in there ready to go. But I've taken this back off just to show you the kind of issue we had on this side. So coming to this side, it would not come off. So yeah, you can probably see by the what's left of, which I haven't cleaned up yet, of that. So we've completely mauled the top mount. So we need to get a new one. Ryan's hopefully going to go get me one today, but if not, she's got to stay like this while we're in Cornwall. I don't really want it to stay like that. Up on the axle stands, and then the blocks of wood are holding up the brake discs because it's got no suspension sort of at all on this side. But like I said, hopefully Ryan's going to get a new one of these and we can just boop, and carry on. But literally the last hurdle last night and we just couldn't get past it for hours, so it would not come off. We broke an Allen key in the top of this. We snapped an Allen key, so it all went well, very well. But yeah, so I'm going to wait for Ryan now. I've got all the tools back out and the cat. But I'm just going to put this one back in, so hopefully we can get that on and get going to Cornwall, because we're behind schedule very much at the moment. But yeah, so just to show you the disaster we created last night. That's what it's supposed to look like on top, but obviously that's the newer one. And this is what we created in the end. I know, just Just don't even judge. Don't, just leave it. We're gonna have to reuse these little clips to hold on to the brake lines because they don't come with the Vmaxx, so we just got to get those off. One's come off already with WD-40, just need WD-40 this one, and hopefully get them off as well. And then we can both fit them once Ryan gets here with the new top mount. My hero. He's got there this morning to get it for me, so hopefully I can drive down to Cornwall, but we'll see. And then we can get the realignment done when we get back next week. So just in comparison, this is mine and Ryan's last night creation, and this is the new one. They are now both in. Wheels are on, thanks to me. While I was sleeping, Ryan went and got it all.
Here I am.
But they're on. I'll have to go down and we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully the first attempt's a good attempt, but only one way to find out, I suppose. This is attempt number 1. I actually sat on the bodywork in here, if you can see. There. Looks bloody cool, but I'm not going to make it over anything. I said it looks bloody cool, but I'm not going to make it over anything. Same again. That's always going to hit in there though. This tyre is like pretty much against that little nut. It's definitely going to be low and slow. It does look so cool, but it's just not drivable. Not drivable. So I reckon we're going to go up another 10 at least, maybe 20. We'll go 15. We're finished, just warming her up. Sort of the height we've gone for. We've got quite a bit of clearance, I hope. Hope and pray this is good. If it's not, my dream's going to get crushed. I got to drive over 200 miles or so. Maybe see me, but it's got to go all the way down to Cornwall this. So far so good, we got off the drive. Get Ryan in the passenger seat for this adventure. It felt weird if we come off there. That's weird. I've never had this suspension not squeak when someone gets in the passenger seat. It's not good. Shit.
What is that scraping at the wheel?
Back, yeah. Well, the back's at least the easier to do up.
But this is them bending in. Shit, they're literally touching.
We shall return. We got far.
Yeah. I didn't realise you were filming.
So out of the lane.
That's not good.
We just got to go
in the way again.
a little bit higher. Huh? Yeah, you're all good. We have completed today's scenario. We had to go up another centimetre on the back in the end, but because the suspension's that little bit more stiff, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. The front's good. The front had a little rub around the roundabout then when I went a little bit quicker, but I didn't film that, but I wish I did. But they're only plastic arches, so Ryan's leaving now because he's got to go to the cinema in half an hour, so he's a bit tight for time. Love you. Have fun. Watch the wall. You ready to go? Yeah. It's Cornwall time. Anyway, so it's all been a little bit of a rush, but it's now time to leave. Finally, everyone else left at 7:30. We're leaving at 1:30.
Much to my sadness.
We're full, ready to go.
Oh, I see that.
Yep. We've got to deliver a letter. Oh.
Oh, I feel sad leaving already.
Why? It's unlucky, isn't it? But yeah. That's the end of this one. Thank you very much for watching.
You ended it now? I feel like filming that you've done this
Remember to
morning.
like, comment and subscribe and shout out to Ryan.
Right, 3 days.
And I'll see you on the next one.